Yo, what's up guys? This is Bless here, aka Cameron Chellerson, and this is another pack opening. Sorry about my last pack opening. I didn't think I was gonna get anything, so I was gonna be like, I missed a pack, or I missed special packs, but see, this is a 25k pack, and this is what it gives me. Come on, FIFA. Come on, EA. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. Still. And we did end up packing Neuer in the last episode, so if you haven't seen that, go check that out. It was pretty. I had a little bit of a reaction. It was kind of funny. But yeah, so we're just gonna keep on opening these packs, and we're probably not gonna get anything. That's the best. Okay. Really, even the silvers it gives me aren't the greatest. Alright, so this is all I've opened so far up till this point is 15k packs, and now we're opening 25k packs, which is nothing but players, include 12 players, at least 10 gold with 3 rares. So that's weird. Sorry about all the lights and stuff. I'm in here with my family and such, and you guys will get a sneak peek of my girlfriend walking out here. She probably won't like that, but it's okay. Next pack. So we looked for the packs for Alba because he gave us the best luck last time. But for now, that's Aguero. Aguero luck? No. Why is... Literally, this is pretty bad already. I'm disappointed, EA. Actually, funny story. So, I bought my computer. I'm just bought a $2,700 computer from Origin. And if you guys don't know who that is, it's kind of custom build laptop company, or not laptop. Not bad. Could be better. It's probably the best pack so far. But anyway, they build custom computers, the desktops and laptops. And come to find out, they're powered by EA. And I was like, because I'm mad at EA this year. I don't like FIFA 16 at all. Alba luck. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Actually, that's probably the best so far. I'm happy with that. How much does it go for? It's in Serie A. Probably list them up. Not worth 25k, to say the least. Alright. Yeah. It's okay for now. It's okay for now. So, how many packs do we have left? We have 5 more packs left. Alright, so Liliana, high five. Little sister, high five luck. Oh, no. That's okay. It's okay. I think I've packed him before already. Not in this series, but just in the game. Those stats are pretty bad though. Maybe not as a CDM. It would be okay. Do you want to wave your hand for the subscribers?
Hello!
There's the hello.
That's a very nice hello.
Alright. This is a good pack. No. Didn't look? No. He used to be really good last year. Actually. I'm all about them skill moves. Shh. Shush, shush. You're in the video.
Hi.
And 3 more packs. Aguero luck? I don't know if that's a thing yet. Not bad. Could definitely be better, but yeah. Was really hoping for like a Hero Ibrahimovic or something, but it's whatever. Everybody's whispering about stuff over there. Get out of here. Another bad pack. There's no way I haven't gotten a single pack that's worth 25k. Guaranteed. Guarantee it. Alright, Alba luck for the last pack. It's gotta be good, right? So we gotta do everything for this one. Okay. Liliana,
Yes.
tap A. The green button. The green button.
Okay.
Alright. High five. And I can't look.
Good sister luck, me neither.
Okay. I don't know what it is. I haven't looked. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Eh. Yeah.
So little.
Yeah, it's kind of on the side, huh?
Yeah.
He's pretty decent though. Syria, yeah. I'll keep him. All right, well that's it for this is our third one, and yeah, thanks for watching.
Yeah.